Hey guys, welcome back to my next episode of Horizon Life. I just want to thank you guys for the subscribes and the comments that you guys have posted. Keep on doing that, and we're going to be one big name someday. And I am back with my friend Lidani.
Hey, what's up?
Today we're going to be doing some paper airplane throwing. He said it's really nasty. Look at this. Look at that good one. So we're going to start right here. And then
and after that, a couple more times, we're going to go over there.
we're going to go on the big road.
So first, this is just going to be
Mom's car.
So let's start with a simple throw.
There's my dog.
Every time we're going to have to make a video, we're going to have to put Wilson in it, okay?
Alright.
He's gone.
He's our mascot.
Yeah, he's gone.
He's our mascot. Alright. So,
Starting off with a simple throw.
We're going to go to the main road since it's not raining. So we're going to go to the main road, guys. There's my plants. This is my neighborhood.
If you guys want to see your fan,
This is my dad's car.
if you guys want to see your fan, Steven, I live over here. Okay?
This is my house. I live in Kent. I'm not telling you the address.
Should I throw over here or over here?
I don't care. So, we're going to first throw.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Set. Wait, make sure you get that on tape too.
Oh, well.
I'm good. Okay, is it good?
Yeah.
Ready? Set.
It was alright. Good
Wanna
done.
try?
Good done, brother.
Here,
Yeah.
let me do it
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Don't drop it. Alright, now it's my turn.
for you. Oh boy. Boy, yeah. Hot. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see him? Put it down in the comments. Okay, here.
Alright, that's gonna be. Alright, now Lidani was holding the camera for a little bit.
Now I'm gonna throw it upwards.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Set. Oh wow! It basically just
Nose tailing. He no tail. Oh, dumb duckies.
Oh.
Alright, guys, we see some duckies over here. Say hi to the ducks. Can you see them? Comment below what we should name them. There they are. We can see them.
Oh, ducky.
One's a male, one's a female.
And then they made it. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna have to throw it upwards.
So, I'm going to throw it up right now. Just hold it like that. Alright, there you go. Oh, God!
Oh wow! Oh right for the thingamajigger. Nice throw, Steve. Nice throw. Now I'm about to just try what you
That
do.
was like the best throw.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna do it this way. Ready?
You should throw high up. Look at that. Oh!
What? Oh, did you see it? Like,
Yeah, I saw that.
car?
It flew right over the car.
Spin.
Yeah, it's spun a little bit.
I'm about to fix the tip, so then when you throw it, it's
Someday
gonna go
we're
out.
gonna probably one of my videos will teach you guys how to make one of these.
I know how to move.
I know. We're gonna teach you guys.
Okay, now since the tip is like,
Got more ducks over there.
so you know like how the tip is like now bent? That's gonna make the air circle around against the tip, and then it's gonna go higher and farther. See? Ready? See?
He has to throw it more higher, honestly.
You're better, so here. You want me to do it again?
Here, let me try.
Oh, you.
I'll do it. Hold it. So now it's my turn. Don't throw it all the way. Don't.
What?
Oh, look at me. Don't throw it straight up. Throw it. Now watch.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Ow! Right here.
that didn't even go.
Here, Stevie.
Alright.
Okay, I'm about to just use Stevie's hand. Let's go.
Let's see how far he can throw this. I want to see how far he can throw this. That actually wasn't bad.
You need to make a new one, Stevie.
No, it's
Do
fine.
you have any papers in your house?
Yeah, but it's for a copier.
Let's t-shirts. And make a airplane.
Then we're gonna make a new one.
Yeah, right now.
No, no. Well, we're still going.
Ooh. Okay.
Well, guys, that's it for today
It's
With-
a little like
with my friendly
little
Donnie.
airplane, and I got my hair on straight. And look, next time we're gonna like
Comment if he has a hairline. Or let's take a peek at him. Comment if he has a hairline.
No.
All right. So that's all for today, guys.
We're gonna make another video today.
We're gonna make another one right after this about how to make a paper airplane.
And
See ya.
probably someday we're gonna make slime.
Slime.
Yeah, at my house or at yours.
Oh, okay.
Huh, last one.
All right,
Ready.
the final throw. Make this a good one. Woo.
Yeah, that one's fast.
Well,
Peace.
signing off again. Comment. Make sure you hit those likes on all my videos. Make sure you comment. I've seen a few people comment on my videos. I am so happy right now. Thanks. Make sure you leave good comments. And yes, I got some bunny ears right here. I'm gonna lick 'em. And make sure you sign off. And
Peace.
signing off.